this video, I will show you how to add custom network in Coinbase Wallet. So it's really easy and straightforward. Just watch this video until the end to be able to do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the portfolio tab all the way at the bottom right. So let's click on this. And from here, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. And right now, when we scroll down, we can see networks in here. And we're going to click on networks. And in order to add our custom network, we're going to click on the plus icon at the top right. And right now we can add our custom network. You just need to fill in the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and optional to add the Block Explorer URL as well. And once you have filled everything in, except the Block Explorer URL, then you are able to add this network, and then you will be able to see it in this section in here. And then you can go ahead and change for that network or just select it from this section. So it's really easy and straightforward, as I said. Just follow these steps and then you will be able to add this. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.